welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is another Zara haul. I think about a week ago or so posted a Zara haul on my channel. I'll link it down below in case you haven't caught it. But yeah, I went on the website to look for a dress that I've been waiting to come back in stock. It hasn't. But then one thing went into my basket, another thing, and then next thing you know, giant box turns up at your door. But what can I say, literally Zara and H&M are absolutely smashing it at the moment, and I just cannot stay away. I mean, obviously I don't keep all these things. I do a lot of hauls on my channel and I never want anyone to feel pressured to buy the same, or you know, think that I've even got the budget to keep up with all these hauls. I don't. I order more so that I can show you guys what there is to offer, because I always think it's nicest to see things on people in real life, especially on the Zara website. I mean, some of those shapes that those girls pull, I mean, when are they doing that in real life exactly, you know? So it's always nice to get like honest feedback about the clothes, the quality, fit, etc. So obviously I'll try everything on, let you know the sizes and prices of everything and my honest opinions. So without further ado, let's crack open this box and see what we got, because I can't remember. Right, first up out of the box is this top. Now, if you watch my last haul, you know I got this in a black and a white. This must be a new colour, because I'm pretty sure there was only black, white and khaki when I first bought them. But I absolutely love it. I'm all into neutrals at the moment. I got it in a medium again. I'm typically a size 10 in most shops, and it's only £7.99. I do pull the ruching down a little bit because I don't like too much of my tummy hanging out. You know, post 3 kids, it doesn't quite look the same. But it comes down low enough that I feel comfortable if I wear it with high-waisted jeans. But literally with anything, I wear it with joggers, with shorts, with skirts, trousers, anything. So really like this one. Nice and flattering as well. It doesn't come down like too low so you feel exposed. Just the perfect top. So I'll pop this on. How I've been wearing it is with some mum jeans from H&M, which I've been loving at the moment. So I'll pop it on and show you how it fits. Here it is on. Like I said, I'll just pull it down a little bit there so there's not too much tummy on show. But yeah, really easy just to chuck on and goes with everything. Next thing I grabbed was this lilac top. It's like a gingham sort of pattern, and then it's got this ruching all down the front. I just thought it was quite pretty and a bit different. I love this neckline at the moment, the kind of racer style neckline. I think it's quite flattering. My only concern is it looks quite small, so I don't know how it'll look on. I got it in a medium again and it was £9.99, so we'll try it on. But if you kind of pull it down at the back, does look quite small. I don't know, it might look better on than off. I just love this colour at the moment. I've actually got another item this kind of colour, and it's rare that you find this colour in stock anywhere, so I think that's probably why I just shoved it in my basket and just ordered it. But I'll pop it on and see how it looks. Okay, I'm in it. Just be aware, if you do buy this, the head like hole bit is really like tight, so I've probably got makeup all over it. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not the one. I love the neckline, love the colour. I just don't think it's all that flattering. I just don't think it does anything for me. This bit here, it is on the small side, I would say, for a medium, because normally mediums fit me fine from Zara. But yeah, I think, do you know, if this was a dress and it like carried on, it was nice and figure hugging, I think it would be lovely with that neckline. But as a top, just not feeling it, so that'll be going back. Right, if you're new to my channel, you'll soon come to realise that my kind of staple colour palette is blacks, whites, neutrals, and also a little bit of print. I saw these and I just couldn't not put them in my basket. I absolutely love them. So they're like 3/4 length, wide leg culottes. They've got an elasticated back, quite a structured front. They have actually got belt loops in the front. So yeah, you probably could put a little belt with it if you wanted to. Got pockets. Bloody love a pocket. These were £19.99 and I got them in a medium, so hopefully they fit okay. They look quite big, but with them being elasticated, they'll probably be okay. This is just one of those things that you can chuck on. It looks like you've made a load of effort when really you haven't. Just throw it on with like a black vest top, a black Zara body, which is what I'm going to try it on with, some sandals or some heels if you want to dress it up. It just looks like you've made a load of effort. I just think animal print is so effective and just looks really classy. So I'm really looking forward to trying these on, although it does mean I've got to get this top off, which I'm not looking forward to. Okay, I really like these. The only thing I would say, they're a little bit big once I've got them on, obviously because this is your like smallest part, but I think if I got the small, then I struggle to get them over my butt. So it is what it is, big butt problems. But I really like them. I think they're so flattering and just so comfortable, and really good value for £19.99, I think. Yeah, look lovely with a pair of heels as well as sandals. So yeah, I'm chuffed with them. Next I picked up this pair of shorts. These were £19.99. I got them in a medium. I've been after a pair of shorts this kind of colour for a while. I like them. They're a bit more like beigey than they're coming up on camera actually. It's just the material's throwing me off because it's not the material I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit see-through, so we'll have to see how that kind of works because I wanted to wear them with like a black body, so we'll see. But it's got 2 pockets on the front, 2 fake pockets on the back, but it has got belt loops, which is good because I wanted to be able to wear a belt with it. So we'll pop them on and see how they look. Okay, here's those shorts on. They are unfortunately see-through as hell, so I wouldn't be able to wear them as I wanted to wear them with a bodysuit because you can just see the black line underneath. They are a lovely pair of shorts though. The only thing I would be careful of is these are a medium and they are pretty huge, so you'd probably need to size down. But for me, unfortunately, these will be going back. Okay, next up I picked up this skort. Now I haven't owned a skort in a long time, but they seem to be making a comeback and I am not mad about it. I think they're a really good idea because it looks like you're wearing a skirt, but then you've got the coverage of shorts, which I really like, especially running around after the kids. I got this in a medium and it was $19.99, but I just love the colour of it, love the floral pattern on it. Just thought it could look really nice with a simple white top. Here's that skort on. I think it's super cute. It needs a little bit of a steam because it's a bit creased up from packaging, but that's fine. I'd just be aware that the medium, again, is quite big, so it's so hard to know with Zara sizing, isn't it, when you're shopping online. But you can, with this one, cinch it in with the belt, so that's handy. And then I've just popped it on with the white top, like the beige one I showed you at the beginning. But really nice, just nice to throw on hot days, and you don't need to worry about any gusts of wind showing your bum. Okay, next I grabbed this top. Now, I just love the colour of it. It's kind of like a very dark beige, but it's lovely. It's really nice. It was only $7.99 and it only came in extra small to small or medium to large, so I grabbed the medium to large. But I just loved it. I love the double spaghetti strap on it. I just thought it could be really flattering. The material of it is so nice. It is like a ribbed material, but it just feels so soft. But I just thought with this, like either like jeans and like a linen shirt or some like mum shorts with some linen shirt draped over the top could look really nice. So I'll pop it on and see how it fits. So here's that top on. I really like it. I really like the length of it actually because it comes just to the top of anything high-waisted, which I like. I've just chucked it on with some Zara mum shorts that I got in my last haul, and then this like little beach cover-up which was from Primark. It was only £6. I get a ton of wear out of it when the weather's nice, she says, as it's raining outside. But this would be really nice for joggers as well. It would also go really nicely with the white mum jeans I showed you at the start from H&M. Like the neutral tones would work really well. Okay, last couple of bits that I picked up were these tops, one in black and one in white. They're like a shoulder pad top. I actually saw somebody on Instagram wearing it and I thought, oh, I like the look of that because they're not too shoulder paddy. They're like pronounced enough but don't come out too far, because they're really shoulder paddy tops. I'm sure that's a word. They just don't suit my figure and my sort of shape, so I thought I'll give these a try. They're only $7.99. I got them both in a medium. They are actually elasticated at the bottom, so I'll try them both on. Guys, I absolutely love this. I love the structure. I think it comes out just far enough but not too far on me. I think it's really nice how they've put this extra bit of fabric here so there's no side boob because we don't want that. Well, I don't. And the way it nips in here, like just at the kind of top of anything high-waisted, I think is super flattering. Yeah, I'm an absolute fan. For $7.99 you just can't go wrong. So I'll pop the white one on. The only thing I ever find with the white ones is if they're too see-through, then I don't like them. Like the one I got in my last haul, the white one kind of top like this went back, but I'll pop it on and see how it is. The material's quite thick, so I've got high hopes. And here's the white one on. It's not see-through, which is good, but I think I just prefer the black, so picking between the two, I'd definitely pick the black over the white. It's still lovely. It does need a bit of a steam, obviously. I think it would look better with a steam, but yeah, I think if I was choosing between the two, I'd definitely go for the black. I think that's a lot more effective. And that brings us to the end of the haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I will of course link everything that I've shown you down below. Whether it's in stock, I cannot guarantee, but you can just sign up for the email and it lets you know when it's back in, so that's pretty handy. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe, it does mean the world. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, then head over there, it's @KatieWalkler. But for now, bye!